going to look at something in this session called a function machine, and these are two-step function machines. Before, in the last video, we was looking at just one step. So you'd have an input, you'd do an operation to it, and you'd get an output. In these ones, we've got an input, but we've then got two operations to do before we get our output. So imagine that you've got a big machine, you're putting this number in, it is going to times it by 2, then it's going to add 1, and then it will come out at the end of the machine with this new number. So we've got 3 times by 2, which is 6, add 1, which is 7. So our output would be 7. This one, our input's 10, so we're doing 10 times by 2 is 20, add 1 is 21. So can you see it works the same way as the last video? The only difference is we've got two operations to do. These are the ones I want you to have a go at then, these two-step functions. We've got 4 times by 3, take away 1, equals 12 divided by 2 times by 2 equals, and this one is your challenge. You've got an unknown number, you're going to times it by 2 and take away 1, and it is going to equal 21. So see if you can work backwards to work out what number you started with. So have a look at the first one then. We've got 4 times 3, which is 12, take away 1, which is 11, 12 divided by 2, which is 6, times by 2, so you're reverting it back to 12, and this one we're working backwards, so you need to do the inverse operations. Inverse means the opposite. So you've got 21, add 1, which is 22, divided by 2, which will give you 11. And if you want to double check that, you could do 11 times by 2 is 22, take away 1 is 21.